Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Patrick.
And we're the Rock Brothers.
From Rockscapes of Canada, celebrating 40 years this year, building artificial rock and
water features.
Nearly 40 years ago, my parents started this business committed to building the best possible feature with the longest lasting materials possible. We're utilizing concrete, steel, and our artistic abilities to turn regular concrete into beautiful creations of art.
Our journey began in the mid-1980s when our founder, Dan Mangan, turned his passion for rock formations into a thriving family business. Our mother, Georgina Mangan, became the main artist, painting each rock to look as realistic as possible. Today, we are proud to carry on their legacy. Over the years, we've completed numerous high-profile projects, so chances are you've walked through one of them. From the Rainforest Waterfall and Cave at the Ontario Science Centre to the King Tut exhibit and Bat Cave at the Royal Ontario Museum.
You're going to see how creative we get to be building beautiful works of art that mimic nature, whether it's from simple waterfalls or the most complicated of features. We're utilizing real rock, we're utilizing artificial. We take molds from real rock and we actually put those together like giant jigsaw puzzles.
What sets us apart is our unique panel system. Unlike our competition, which uses shotcrete over rebar, we saw an opportunity and created molds of real rock formations. We then apply a texture coat of cement followed by 2 layers of a polyfiber reinforced cement for unmatched strength. This process we developed with the University of Waterloo ensures our panels are not only realistic, but incredibly durable. Our mission is to create breathtaking features that bring a touch of paradise to any space. From small residential projects like fountains, pools, grottos, to large-scale installations in museums, zoos, luxury homes, we aim to blend art and nature seamlessly.
Our commitment for this channel is to actually showcase as many projects as we possibly can, both past and present and future. We're going to take you along for the ride. We love showing what we do. Hopefully you can learn some of the process, whether you are an aspiring artist of yourself or you're just committed to creating something in your own backyard. And hopefully we can give you some insight into that, and hopefully you're entertained along the way. My brother and I have loved building. We've been building together since I was a child. Whether we divide and conquer or work together, we always have a blast.
At Rockscapes of Canada, we believe in creating more than just landscapes. We create experiences, memories, and places of peace and beauty. So thank you for joining us on this journey. We look forward to so many more years of bringing nature's beauty to life. Discover more about our projects and how we can transform your space. Visit us at www.rockscapescanada.com and or follow us on YouTube for more incredible transformations. Thank you for tuning in. So do us a favor and hit the like and subscribe.
Cheers. See you on the next one.